Join us on an effervescent journey through the iconic world of Coca-Cola. Did you know over 10,000 Coca-Cola drinks are enjoyed globally every second? But what's the secret behind its timeless taste? Stay tuned to uncover the mystery behind each sip. Let's dive in. Origin. Coca-Cola, awfully simply called Coke, is a carbonated soft drink with a distinctive cola flavor. Its story begins with a humble combination of ingredients: coca leaf and cola nut, a source of caffeine. These botanical components are sourced from regions like South Africa and West Africa. The cocoa leaf provides a subtle flavor, while the cola nut contributes to the drink's characteristic kick. Ingredients. Coca-Cola's recipe is a symphony of carefully selected ingredients, each contributing to its unmistakable flavor profile. Starting with pristine water from various locations, it forms the canvas upon which the other components blend harmoniously. Did you know that in 2022 the Coca-Cola company used 1.97 liters of water for every liter of product they produced? The next ingredient, high fructose corn syrup, a sweetener derived from corn, adds a touch of sweetness that tantalizes the taste buds. The caramel color imbues the beverage with its signature hue, invoking a sense of nostalgia with every sip. Phosphoric acid lends a subtle tartness, balancing the sweetness and enhancing the overall experience. Natural flavors meticulously crafted and sourced add depth and complexity, elevating Coca-Cola to its legendary status. And finally, caffeine, derived from natural sources like coffee beans or tea leaves, providing the invigorating kick that keeps consumers returning for more. When combined, these components create the quintessence of Coca-Cola, a timeless classic that millions of people worldwide love. Syrup preparation. The journey of Coca-Cola production commences with the meticulous process of syrup preparation. Here, a symphony of carefully measured ingredients, including high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, phosphoric acid, and an array of other natural flavors, are blended into exact proportions to craft the unmistakable signature Coca-Cola syrup. Carbonation. After the meticulous preparation of the syrup, the spotlight shifts to the pivotal carbonation process. Here, the syrup undergoes a transformative infusion of carbon dioxide gas under pressure, orchestrating the creation of those enchanting bubbles that bestow Coca-Cola with its distinctive effervescent allure. This crucial step gives the beverage a delightful fizziness and improves its taste and mouthfeel, creating a truly delightful sensory experience that is loved by consumers all over the world. Mixing syrup and carbonated water. Once the syrup and carbonated water are prepared, they're carefully mixed in proportions to achieve the perfect balance of sweetness, acidity, and carbonation. Coca-Cola advises mixing 5 parts carbonated water with 1 part syrup for optimal flavor. This crucial step ensures that each Coca-Cola bottle or can delivers the consistent and iconic flavor consumers have come to expect. Quality control checks. The Coca-Cola mixing and carbonation process involves rigorous quality control checks, with skilled technicians and advanced machinery monitoring factors like taste, color, carbonation levels, and product integrity. Any deviations from the desired specifications are promptly addressed to maintain the exceptional quality of the final product. Advanced machinery controls the filling process to ensure accuracy and consistency, preventing underfilling or overfilling. The Bottles are then transported to the capping and sealing station, where caps are placed with precision to seal in the carbonation and flavor of the beverage. The next step involves labeling and packaging bottles for distribution using precision labeling equipment to apply essential product information and branding elements. The bottles are carefully arranged and packaged into crates or cartons for shipment to retailers or distribution centers. Quality control checks ensure all bottles are labeled and packaged according to specifications. The packaged Coca-Cola products are ready to be distributed to eager consumers worldwide, bringing joy and refreshment to countless individuals. Distribution and storage. After the meticulous production process, Coca-Cola enters the next phase of its journey through a well-coordinated distribution and storage system. Initially, freshly packaged Coca-Cola products are loaded onto trucks and transported to strategically located distribution centers. The centers are responsible for receiving, sorting, and organizing Coca-Cola products for efficient distribution. They store the beverages in advanced temperature control systems, ensuring quality and freshness upon arrival. Once stored, the products are transported from distribution centers to various retail outlets, including supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines, using a fleet of trucks to handle the volume and diversity of products. Delivery schedules are meticulously planned to meet the demands of each retailer and ensure timely replenishment of stock. Upon reaching the retail locations, dedicated teams of workers take charge of stocking store shelves with Coca-Cola products. They carefully arrange the bottles and cans, creating attractive displays that catch consumers' eyes and showcase the brand's wide range of offerings. Attention to detail is paramount, as the presentation of Coca-Cola products significantly influences consumer purchasing decisions. Enjoyment. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for is cracking open a cold Coca-Cola and savoring that sweet, effervescent flavor. Whether you are at a picnic, watching a movie, or celebrating with friends, Coca-Cola has been a beloved company for generations. If you like our content, please take a moment to like the video by clicking the thumbs up button and subscribing for more stories. Let us know your thoughts about the video down in the comment section below. Now, in the next video, you're going to watch how your favorite instant noodles are made. See you in the next one.